Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. This morning at Ankita's again, and I'm gonna actually leave in a few minutes because for once I'm not going to be late to work from this location. Got some good news for you guys. Nikita's dad helped us figure it out and get our deposit back, which I don't know if I updated you on, but it's incredible. I'm gonna thank him so much. We all need to take him out to dinner or something. One thing checked off my list. Going to Victor's right now to pick up a guest pass because I am sleeping over there tonight. Picking up keys for my sublet tonight, but picking up blankets from Paul tomorrow and getting Luna from Linda tomorrow. So things are kind of tying up. Let's go. This is so cool. This is an art installation by Ernst Fisher, and this bust in the middle has been layers of plastic on top of it, and people are invited to come in and peel some off and decorate the space. This is so cool. Wait. I want to do, oh my gosh, people are writing names. Oh, stick on. Okay, now your two eyes. Where's my smile? Oh my gosh, you know what I should do though?
What?
A bunny. Can you see the bunny?
Alright, what's that? What are we doing down here?
Trying to do a bunny, so like the bunny. Alright, Looney Tunes, mommy tried. This is you. Oh, but you're a lop-eared bunny, so let's switch this up. There we go. That's more like you. At the corner of Spring and Mulberry, there's that Play-Doh place. So if you guys are there, check it out.
Attention all passengers, allow passengers to get off and on the train. Thank you.
That was the longest subway ride of my life. I'm pretty sure I almost fell asleep a few times, but I'm looking at an apartment right now, except I'm 10 minutes early and she says she's gonna be 20 minutes late. So I'm gonna be here for 30 minutes and my phone's on 1%, so wish me luck. Of course I'm vlogging, get in there. Okay, well it's not a picture, so start walking in. The insider girl.
Insider food.
Where are we eating today?
We're eating at Ant Pizza.
That sounds more comfortable for a night. Look, we got some And Pizza, which is that DIY pizza place. And this is mine. Every time you say it, it does sound like Ann's.
Ant's Pizza.
This is my host, my father.
When you post me? Have you ever seen that Airbnb commercial?
Do you guys remember this little giraffe? Actually, I don't know if this guy's ever been in it.
Have you ever seen it?
Maybe. I remember when Leo opened his present. I don't remember if I vlogged it.
When was this?
His birthday, I don't remember which one.
This is a birthday present?
Yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with him?
We watched an episode of Gossip Girl. We're gonna watch more. Such a good show.
Leave me a loving note, text with no special reasons. I hug someone I love. I love getting things with no special reasons. It's more meaningful than
Alright, should I click finish?
Yes.
Oh, you deleted enough finish?
Yes. Click
Alright,
finish.
my love languages.
How do I read this?
Well, your primary love language is physical touch.
Touchy person.
How do I? Yeah. Oh. Your primary love language is physical touch. And your follow-up is acts of service.
Alright, we're gonna watch some more Gossip Girl. We learned our love languages, took a shower, and I'm gonna end Vlogmas right here. You wanna say goodnight?
Huh?
Wanna be in there good night?
Where's my hair?
oiling your hair.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Alright. Bye bye bye. Thanks for watching.